Beautiful Tuesday afternoon. Well, literally just afternoon. Son sent me a message about 20 minutes ago about a train passing the house heading north. I had to run home quick, grab the camera. So now we're rolling back north, going to catch up with the train. Don't know what engine it is, but I do know that 503 and 502 have been up in Channing, so good chance of 402 or maybe 501 taking a load north. Anyway, we're coming into Iron Mountain, gonna get on US 2 and let's go find this train. Man, they got a pretty good lead on me. I didn't think I was that far behind, but they must be moving. Well, I found the train. Glad you guys could join me today. Beautiful sunny Tuesday. Escanaba and Lake Superior Railroad 402 and ELS 501 rolling north. Big beautiful blue engines, one being an old Conrail. Probably not very much work for those two. What about that train last week? Everybody that I'm talking with said that was the longest train I've ever filmed on this railroad with over 100 cars. That was pretty intense. If you haven't had a chance to watch that video, go ahead. A piece of bark just fell off the train that's running. That's why it's laying right there in the road. You know what time it is? Do ya? It's time for the Mega Log Hauler. They go north empty because when they go back south full, CN will actually take them. They don't want logs that can fall off, so a lot of people ask. That's one of the reasons you see empty cars like that going back north. Wow, ending the train with two tanker cars. That's more than I normally see. Orange is ready. Orange ready. Yeah, I would get. Come over here and take that off of the rail. Take that off the road. Here's this railroad crossing as we come from M95. Kind of goes up over a little hill here. And the last time I filmed here, this crossing was not working, so we'll have to see if it is today. Well, you know, I got a little bit of time before that train gets here. I want to talk a little bit today about me, about my YouTube channel,
about my videos and about how they revolve around me. I don't know anywhere in the YouTube playbook that I own does it say I have to follow exactly what my subscribers want me to do. Now, I'm not talking about everybody. I'm talking about the very few people that watch my channel. They may not even be subscribers. Maybe they just leave comments thinking they're being cool. Or a lot of times I have trolls that seem to just like me. I don't know. They like to troll my videos, and they like to post comments that they know might bug me a little bit. Maybe they are trying to get me a little motivated to respond back. But oftentimes than not, I film videos that I find are enjoyable, that I want to film. And every single time I post a panhandler video, I get a whole bunch of comments on my railroading videos about the panhandler video. I even get comments on the panhandler video about train videos. Or I love the comment on the panhandler video saying, this isn't a train, you're supposed to be filming trains. Why aren't you filming trains? I came here for trains. I've never clicked on a video on YouTube that I didn't want to watch. I've never clicked on a video that I questioned on why I would want to watch it. I might be subscribed to a whole bunch of channels, but that does not mean I'm going to watch every single video those channels put out, because every single subject isn't important to me. You're going to find all sorts of different videos on my channel. I have not been filming trains my entire time on YouTube. Trains have actually started in the last few years because I found viewers like you like to watch them. That's why I film trains. That doesn't mean I'm always going to film trains. The majority of time lately, yeah, it's been a lot of trains. You know, I used to do all sorts of different type of videos. And the fact that now I'm doing train videos doesn't change the fact that there are other videos I like to do. So if you see something on my channel that you don't like, skip it. But you don't need to leave a comment telling me that you dislike what I'm doing on other videos. Just skip it. It's as easy as that. Anyway, I hear a train coming. Enough chatter. Let's get back to trains. Smell of that diesel fuel. I don't know what it is. Honestly, I'm not joking you. It doesn't smell as bad as methanol when it burns. You're probably like, methanol, how do you know what that smells like when it burns? Well, some of the newer snowmobiles in the racing circuits burn methanol now. They've skipped gasoline, they've skipped oxygenated fuel. They've moved on to methanol, and man, do they go fast.
have left my keys in the ignition. Probably something I should stop doing. Mega log hauler. Like I tell you guys, I read all the comments. I see everything. Even the negative ones. I even know how to ban people, which I have been this week already. I don't mind somebody leaving one negative comment, something you don't like. I don't care about that. But when you go across every video and repeat the same comment about me, or trying to say things about me, or negatively ways, you know, I'm gonna go in there and remove you. It's just the way I am. Anyway, let's move a little bit north on the track and see where the train takes us. I'm not even gonna talk. Let's listen to the power coming down the rail. Oh my God, my ears hurt. What the heck was that, man? I don't think I've ever heard such an annoying squeak than that. My God, it was so high pitched. My ears hurt. You guys ever heard something like that before? You just, man, if you could only understand how loud it was. If that was the bearing on a wheel, they're not going to make it very far. My God. you say something? Okay, that was just totally weird. Anyway, let's roll north and see where we go next. Such lovely line in the sky. My guess is we're about to have a solar storm. So here we are in Randville. There's this little side spur right off the side of the main line here. Right by M95, they got a big log yard set up where they load the trains at. You guys see all these cars. They're all enclosed, which tells me they're going south. And like I said before, CN will only take secure cars like the ones you see here, where the logs cannot fall out. So most of the open log cars that you guys see are on trains going north. And a lot of the empty cars you see coming back north are these types of cars. So I hope that kind of explains a little bit why you see different types of wood going different directions with different cars. That's because there's different cars. They need different cars in different areas to take the wood in different directions. Does that explain it? Hope it doesn't squeal like it did earlier. Man, that last cross, horrible, wasn't it? Well, I would keep going from here, but their next stop will be at LP in Segola. Where they go to, you can't even get near from public access, so well, that'll do it after this. Hope you guys enjoyed this little chase video today. Hope you put up with my little rant earlier. Overall, I hope you enjoy the videos of mine that you watch. And that if you don't like a video, don't watch it. Please don't come on my railroad videos and talk about other videos that you don't like. I don't like that. I know my other subscribers, a lot of them don't like that. So, I mean, there's no use to do it. sure to hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that share button, and make a comment below. Like I said, the longest train I've ever filmed for the Escanaba and Lakesville Railroad happened last Friday. You'll have to go back and watch that video. Over 100 cars. Guys, have a great day. See you later, Freddie. Nice to see you back.